Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Ford Edge key fob. This is a simple process that you can easily do at home in just a few minutes. First, you will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Begin by locating the small release button on the side of your key fob, then press it to slide out the emergency key. This key is essential for the next step. Now that the emergency key is removed, you will see a small slot. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twisting motion, slowly pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time with this step to avoid any damage to the plastic or the delicate internal electronics. The two halves should separate with minimal effort. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old coin cell battery. Before removing it, take a quick moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Then, use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive or plus side facing upwards, ensuring it sits securely in place. With the new battery securely in place, it is time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are sealed. Next, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks into position. Finally, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle to ensure everything is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.